Simply Fat fam? So today I'm here with a brand new video and I'm so excited because I just received this box and I was planning on waiting for tomorrow to film tomorrow, but I was like, oh my god, I'm so excited. I need to see what's in this box. So if you guys are in the mood for an unboxing video, then come with me. So here we have the spring FabFitFun box and it's so beautiful. It's yellow and covered in butterflies, which is super trendy right now. So I'm very excited. I took the quiz, I did all the questions and all the stuff I'm into, and because I was like, you know what, I'm gonna need a new makeup, and I was like, you know what, I need to pick a box because I don't want to just like, there's a difference, you know, when you just get sent surprises versus you shopping for what you need. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna let a box decide what I need. So that's pretty much what happened here. But yeah, I'm gonna open it with you guys and we get to see everything together. So yeah, I'm gonna open this up with you guys and we get to see everything together. Ooh, are you ready? I'm excited. Oh my god. Oh, pretty. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And then here you have the catalog. Oh my goodness. Mom, baby stuff, fitness, recipes, wellness. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. I'm already in love, I can tell. Oh my god, so cute. Share to win, hashtag FabFitFun. Ooh, and it's like a butterfly. Look at this, it's a butterfly sticker. Oh, this is exciting. Oh my god, you got clothing. Oh my gosh, is this for real? I am in need of a new brush. I can't believe this. I really, oh my goodness. Look at this. Let me see if I should try it on. Should I try it on? All right, so let's go through this together. First, we have this Australian brand. It's a necklace they sent me. That is one of the things that I selected because I was like, you know what? If I could get some cute jewelry, why not? You know what I mean? All right, so let's see how this looks. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this. You guys, this is super cute. All right, let's see what's next. Here we got a hairbrush, Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. This is so freaking cute. Oh my god. And it's chrome, so nice. I like the little picture. Oh my god, and it's exactly what I thought. Hopefully I got some, let's see. Moroccan Gold Series Intense Hair Care Leave-In Mask. Oh my gosh, I put that. I have curly hair, which I love because I know that I'll get really hydrating products and I'll get like treatments and things like that for my curls, and I love that because I love to wear my hair like blown out like this, but I also love having healthy curls. So sometimes you can't have both, but maybe with products like this you can. So I can't wait to try this. Look, it conditions, nourishes, reverse damage. Yep. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is exciting. And then this one is, yep, Powerfully Effective Naturals. Coconut milk and verbena exfoliating foot mask. Smoothies and softens, intense hydration. Ooh, 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 ooh. And I can't express to you guys how much I was actually in need of something like this. Wow. They read my mind. Here we have a little hidden product. And as you guys can see, these are like full size products. I really cannot believe they knew this about me. I was in need of a new hand cream, but I want to try this out on camera. Curious. I am so curious. It's called, this brand is Levito, inspired by nature. I'm gonna try this out. Oh my goodness, it's so rich. Oh my god, okay, so I think I'm really excited about this because I got something, oh my gosh, I think I got a cardigan, something so nice. And then I have this makeup bag. Oh my god, it honestly feels like Christmas with this box because I was actually in need of all this stuff. That's what's crazy. It's like blowing my mind how this is so much better than actually buying your own stuff. Like if I had bought, oh my gosh, you guys, this is a Kate Spade makeup bag. Oh my god, those are so expensive, and I'm really hoping it's not leather, but it doesn't look like leather. I don't know. It doesn't. I really think it's vegan, because I think maybe I would have put that in there too. And I'm blown away right now. Like, I am so grateful for this. You guys have no idea. Like, look how cute this stuff is. Oh my god. Kate Spade, out to lunch. And the bag in the front says out to lunch. I'm out to lunch right now. Bye bye. See ya. Oh my gosh. I'm going out to lunch with my hand cream in my bag. I'm taking my whole cute little bag with me. I cannot believe it. Look at this, you guys. It is Kate Spade makeup bag. I can't believe it. I'm blown away. Let's see what else we have. We have spray all day, rose spray, hydrating rose facial spray. Shut up. I can't believe this. I am so impressed with this box. I'm really impressed. It spilled a little bit, which smells amazing. Yeah, it spilled a little bit. It smells amazing. It smells like rose petals, like spray all day, rose spray. Yep, this is amazing. Smells amazing. 4 to 5 spray onto face with eyes closed before or after makeup. Apply as needed throughout the day. A bunch of nice stuff. Castor oil, very nice. Last but not least, so now we're gonna check out this clothing that they sent me. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so freaking cute. Like, for a natural like look, like, you know those, I don't know if you guys know what I mean, but like sometimes like when you go to Whole Foods, you find these type of people where they're like wearing all organic white cotton and they're just dressed like natural, like fresh. They're not wearing any, you know what I mean? Like, that's what this is. This is so pretty. This is such a cute cardigan. I have a cute little dress that I would love to have something like this to throw over. Oh my god, this is so cute. Yes, yes. Oh yes, this is so cute. To go to like the beach, go watch some, you know, a sunset, go out in the evening. Like, you can literally spice this up. You can put like a waist belt on here. Ooh, can't wait. I can't wait to dress it up, dress it down. Kind of looks like a robe, but it's actually really fancy in person. Let's see if I can get a close-up. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at this. All right, I'm excited. This is all exciting stuff. I cannot believe it, you guys. I'm ready to go organize my new makeup in my makeup bag. I'm ready to go look over this catalog. This is exciting. I'm so excited. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new here, and click the bell notifications so you guys are notified each and every time we upload new videos. FabFitFun is a subscription service. They by no means, you know, sponsored this video, but I will leave a referral link for you guys down below. So if it turns out that this is what you guys want to do, make sure to use my link down below. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next video.